Hey, I couldn't find anything to eat. The kitchen's pretty cleaned out. Oh shoot, I left my bag. I brought you this.
That was... Fuck. I don't even know what happened. It was all just a blur.
How are you feeling?
I'm okay. I'll be okay. Thanks to you.
No, I just helped a little. It was all Caitlin and Ryan.
You're here with me. That helps.
All right, they're off to find a radio or something.
What's with the,
They found another in Mr. H's office, so just in case.
what happened to the lights?
Not sure. Any better?
I'm doing okay. Kinda.
Wait, are they going to the radio hut?
Phone's dead. They're gonna try to send out an SOS or something. We're holding down the fort.
I thought you said Dylan and Ryan already left.
Wait, stay here. I'll check it out.
We'll be fine. Just be careful.
Stay alert. Oh, fuck!
Where the hell are you, Bobby?
Hey, so this may not be like the best time per se, but like...
What?
Yeah, so like I was just, thinking about like the start of summer and when we first met and the start of camp and like now that summer's over and, is that like the last time we're gonna see each other,
Sorry, Nick, what are you saying?
Hey, don't worry about Caitlin, she's tough.
I know. I'm sorry, Nick. I'm just distracted. Just get through the night, okay?
Maybe I was misreading the situation back there, but kind of felt like a little bit more was gonna happen.
Well, did you want a little bit more to happen?
Duh, are you dumb?
Hey,
Sorry. I just mean... Of course I wanted it to happen, I just... didn't know if you did too.
that seems like such a long time ago now.
You did want it to happen, though.
I-
You can tell me.
yeah, I guess.
You're just saying that because I'm hurt.
Nick. What is going on out there, Caitlin? We've died. We've died.
It's okay, I got this.
Oh my god.
What happened? Jesus, where's the gun?
We gotta get out.
No, we have to hide.
Got you, girlie. Oh, you're mine.
She's mine!
So the Radio Hut has like an actual radio? I thought it was just like for your morning announcements.
Oh yeah, it used to be more of a actual radio station actually. I mean it is still technically, but nobody brings their radio to camp anymore.
Yeah.
It's weird actually that there used to be kids with their radio and their portable CD player and everything, and nowadays everything we need is on the phone, but Mr. Hackett takes it on the first day at camp so that we're not distracted by technology.
Technology, it giveth and it taketh. So is that something like that you want to go into?
Camp radio?
No, like DJing or music or something.
Oh, yeah, I mean, I like music, but I think I want to major in, quantum physics.
Wait, what?
Yeah.
You don't really seem like a science guy.
Oh, yeah, I mean, not here.
I'm sorry. I'm so completely fascinated by this. What do you mean by not here?
Not here at camp. I do that at home, and then here,
You're a wise cracking smartass?
that's a little harsh, but...
No?
Okay, so maybe I was a little nervous when I arrived in an uncomfortable social situation, and I overcompensated a little bit by making a bunch of jokes.
You played into it.
Yeah, I mean, people kind of enjoyed the blasé Dylan.
And do you enjoy the blasé, Dylan?
Not yet, like, whatever, man, it's pretty cool. It's fine. I like Dylan.